What's happening, Kath?
It looks like one of the trees have come down on the perimeter side of the park. It's quite an old established tree, that. It's a shame, really. It is a bloody shame.
So this is in Calderstones Park, this tree?
Yeah. We're just on the perimeter there, aren't we?
Yeah.
And it looks like at the main gates of the park there are really big trees come down at the edge through the fencing. Probably the storms have weakened it. And it's weakened the root structure and it's come through.
Yeah, massive tree. Yeah, should we go and have a look on the other side?
Yes, let's go through. Isn't it a shame though?
Yeah.
That's the first time a tree
In all
from
the years we've been here.
the perimeter fencing there, because they're really solid established trees, isn't it? It's funny how it's come down from that point though.
Yeah, I know.
From there.
I know.
Because it's not that exposed on that corner.
Yeah. Should we go and film it on the other side of the...
let's have a look at the base and how it's
Yeah.
come through. But it's crashed straight through the railings there, hasn't
So
it?
we've just come down to the allotment now to just check up on the plots.
and
It's
it's
probably for the
torrential.
last time this year. And it's absolutely been raining all day, so it's probably the rain that's loosened the roots and the winds. We had winds yesterday, remember?
Yeah, but I would have
But
thought...
it would have been
Yeah, but it wouldn't just
storms
be that for a tree like that. It would have been storms, wouldn't
Yeah.
it? That would have
that have loosened the soil.
loosened the root system.
Because that tree must be, at least, 80, 90 years old?
Nearly 100 years old,
Possibly.
I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and have a look at the other side.
Oh. Oh, this is torrential.
Yeah.
Look how deep that is there.
It's very wet, isn't it? So, we're in Calderstones Park now. The allotments are just here. Our plot
Just there.
is there.
And we're walking amongst either side a row of lime trees,
Yeah.
which have been here for
Well, since
100 plus years.
yeah,
Some of them.
they have very old trees, and so it's the first time that we've known any of these to come down at all.
They've always been sturdy.
Yeah. So
That's why I'm surprised that's come down there.
yeah.
Unless they've removed something prior in between and it's opened up a gap.
Well, no, I don't think
Which
it is. I think
weakens.
the wind. It's a gust of wind that's caught the tree. Here you can just see. Wow. The wind has basically uprooted it, and it's fallen into the allotments.
Well, it must have been Storm Barrow then. It's
Yeah.
done it. 'Cause
Well,
we
it
haven't
wasn't
been
there
down
last
for a
time.
week, and we were
But
here
you
a
can
week
see how
ago.
saturated the ground has become there.
Wow.
And the root system,
Come right through.
yeah, snap these big strong roots here, and the weight of the tree
Dear Lord.
been brought down, toppling, and distorted the fencing around the allotments, as we can see. It tried to get over the fence and walk away, like the Ents in Lord of the Rings.
Oh, it's such a sad sight though to see it uprooted like that.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is sad. Because there must be that lime row goes right the way down to the end here.
Yeah.
I mean, we can walk it back.
There must be at least 100 trees on this row.
either
But this is on
side.
a corner here,
Yeah.
so I'm taking it, it's exposed to the winds coming from the east there, northeast.
Yeah, because it's taking the
northwest.
full front of it. But I would have thought that would have been more
Well, it depends on the root
vulnerable.
structure
Yeah,
and the direction of the wind,
possibly.
doesn't it?
Yeah, you're right. Oh, dear.
So-
It's sad to see it uprooted then.
It is. Okay, it's very much an impromptu kind of video from Mersey Beat Gardening today. I hope you've enjoyed this little update. Probably our last allotment update of 2021.
Yeah, 'cause it's New Year's Eve tomorrow.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
So if you have enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up.
Oh, I haven't enjoyed seeing the tree come down.
No. And yeah, subscribe to our videos, and we'll see you next year.
Maybe in a brighter atmosphere.
Yeah. Okay then. See you now. Bye.
Bye-bye.